Good morning, and today we are going to do a vlog. Hopefully we could pursue this video. So I have a hair client today. We'll be doing hair color and keratin treatment. So yeah, it's been a while na nag-vlog tayo. I think last year pa yata yung huling kong vlog, but last year ba yun? I totally forgot. So today, I kind of missing the feeling of talking to the camera. Yeah, ano lang talaga, busy lang talaga lately. That's why wala akong chance. So today, hopefully, we can vlog this day. And I don't know, my hair is not done yet. I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this like this. I'm kind of lazy feeling. So my coffee's already done. Yeah, I don't know if I still have time, I guess. I don't know, 9 o'clock kami mag-start, but wala pa siya, hindi pa siya dumating. So yeah, I think I'll just let my hair like this for a while kasi mainit na. It is finally summer. It's almost June, like 3 more days magju-June na. So yeah, but although it's not that hot pa, medyo chilly pa sa gabi at saka sa morning. So I think I'm just gonna let my hair up like this para hindi naman siya disturb sa aking work mamaya. So yeah, hopefully I will see you all later. I'm just gonna drink my coffee and wait for my client to come, and see you in a bit. So I'm finally done for today. Look at my hair. Di naman siya masyadong messy. So I'm just gonna eat my dinner now. / lunch. This is my dinner lunch. Yeah, kasi busy ako kanina. Don't have time to eat. I just ate like, ano ba? I just had coffee and then, what's that called? Coffee, KitKat na 72%, and yeah, yun lang. So, I'm gonna end this video right now. And of course, another coffee, yung hot coffee kasi, I don't know, I'm so used to like when eating and then I need to have something to drink that is hot after. So yeah. Oh my god, it's all over the place. So I'm just gonna eat now and then enjoy watching movie. Ayan, naka-ready na si Ruki. We are going to watch a movie while me eating. So yeah. Thank you so much for all for watching today's vlog. It's just a simple day with me, like working on a Saturday. Something that I really want to do. Okay? Okay, Ruki? He's ready. Feeler. So he went to the... He has a lot of chores today, actually, kaya wala siya. So, it's just me. Whoa, yucks! So, thank you once again. And, yeah, I hope to see you all in my next video. And, happy Sunday, or whatever day. Happy day. I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep a smile. See you on the next one.
Whatever.
Bye.
Sana mga German soldiers, no?